Hello students, in this video we will discuss about back cross. Back cross. Actual back cross is used here to make hybrid variety. To make hybrid variety means what's the meaning of hybrid variety here? Hybrid means if a plant, just assuming if a plant having short means dwarf and having high yielding capacity and a plant with tall low yielding capacity, then crossed with both. There's a high yielding capacity, low yielding capacity. High yielding capacity is dominant over low yielding capacity and tall is dominant over short or dwarf is. Then these characters transfer. Then the new generation is tall with high yielding capacity. So this type of cross is used to make a hybrid variety here. First of all, what we have to do here, we crossed homozygous recessive or heterozygous with homozygous dominant here. In a previous test cross, we just do the unknown partner cross with a recessive parent. Here we cross with a parent with homozygous dominant character. Homozygous dominant character, because dominant character all over suppress the recessive character here. So we do a cross. For example, tall dwarf as a plant height, parents capital T and small t, gametes capital T and small t, their cross capital T small t, F1 progeny, F1 generation, and all characters are tall. This type of cross is used to make a hybrid variety with all expective or dominant characters. If we want to suppress any kind of recessive character, then we use such kind of cross here. So what we have to do in a back cross to make a hybrid variety? First of all, it is used to make hybrid variety. What we have to do in this homozygous recessive or heterozygous condition crossed with homozygous dominant. If here we just do, it's a homozygous recessive condition. Now the another cross, we take an example with a heterozygous condition. So again we take a tall plant, again tall plant having capital T, that is a homozygous dominant character and that is a heterozygous condition here. So what is do? Capital T as a gamete. Here it make a two type of gamete, that is capital T and small t. Here make two type of gamete, capital T and small t here. Okay, we do a short Punnett square for this. Capital T, small t. In this Punnett square, male, female, capital T, small t. We have just observed here that the genotype may be different. The genotypic ratio here, genotype Our genotypic ratio is capital T ratio, capital T small t is 2:2, or we can say 1:1 ratio. But phenotype, as we know, we want to a hybrid variety here to crossed with a dominant species. The phenotype is all tall plants, means 4 are taller here. No one is recessive in this condition. So we want to elaborate, or we want to express a condition where all generations with dominant character, no one is recessive character here. Now we do reciprocal cross. It's an interesting aspect to do reciprocal cross. The reason is, in this, one generation taken to be a male and a same generation taken to be a female here, if crossed with a generation A and crossed with a generation B. Here we crossed AA and a BB. Here is that the gametes are A and B here, and the F1 generation AB as a parent, as our offspring, F1 generation, that is parent, that is gametes. Wait. It's a female. So what we have to do? AA is a female, a male, and a BB is a female. Then the gametes A and B and cross of F1 generation is AB. Fourth is. Now in another condition, A taken as a female and a B taken as a male. And here we have to see that A as a male, where A as a female, and here B as a female, and where B as a male character. We just make these gametes, crossed it, AB, F1 generation, gametes, parents. What we have to see here, in a reciprocal cross, we have to do a generation A with a male character having the same generation A with a female character. Here male character generation crossed with a B female character generation, and we get a cross. Here we just cross A as a female generation and a B as a male generation and crossed it, and we find again a F1 generation here. Here what the meaning of reciprocal? Reciprocal means interchanging with each other, means both A and a B used with opposite sexes here are having different kind of sex, and they used to crossed section here again and again. So there is a reciprocal cross. In our next video we will discuss about incomplete dominance.